What's going on, family? We're back with another video. We're doing another OZZY video. This video, I have the description where I always have it, so you can type it in and go look for this video and watch it in its entirety. Very good video. I like it. The guy who's shooting the video, I think he did a wonderful job taking a tour of OZZY's facility. So we're gonna get into this video. I would like to apologize for the previous videos. The audio is not all that great. I'm still learning, still trying to perfect this. I'm back to this mic until I get another mic because that last mic just was not cutting it. Like, it was horrible. So yeah, let's get to it, family.
Alleles.
Uh-huh.
So when eggs or sperm are being created inside the animal, basically what it does is it takes a copy. You got the messenger RNA, which copies the DNA strand.
Right.
It replicates it.
Yeah.
And sometimes during that process, you get an allele that will just jump and swap locations with another allele. That's a phenomena that creates mutations in animals.
Yeah.
So learn that in genetics. So I suspect that with ball pythons, there's a lot of that. They're prone to that random mutation during genome copying process, and that's how new genes come about. And then you breed that animal again, and it passes on that mutated DNA strand. So then you get that, it's a recessive, it's a codon, whatever, and now you could replicate it, and now you have a new look.
Right.
And that's why I think we have so many different genetic mutations in ball python.
All right, family. So he just gave his theory or his thoughts on why he think we have so many different genetics, like recessive, codon, allelic, things of that nature. He explained it good. I don't have to try to re-explain it. I picked this part of the video to react to just because I think that's something important for us ball pythons enthusiasts out there to know, because we are playing with genetics. These animals are awesome. The colors, just everything about them is awesome. But I'm happy he took time out in this video to explain what he think and why he think it's occurring. But yeah, let's go with it.
Like the orange dream. The orange dream is it impacts the pattern, it impacts the color, and then you have that really high contrast black.
Right.
All right, cool. So we're gonna look at some ball pythons.
Ball python.
I don't have as much as some guys. I mean, I like to stay small. I like my collection to pack a punch.
Right.
So my goal is to not produce a lot, but my goal is to produce a nice, diverse group of mind-blowing combos.
And I think he's doing an awesome job. That's kind of what I want. I want a small collection, but I want a collection that packs a punch. I want quality over, quantity. And I love, the more and more I'm finding out about OZZY, the more and more I am grown to be a fan. I really want to pick his brain one day, and this video is helping me pick that just a little bit, but I would love to get with this guy and do some stuff. But let's get back into this video, family.
Ball pythons tend to stay in a very small area. They'll find a burrow and they'll just stay in that burrow. They're ambush predators. They'll come out at night, they'll eat, and then they just go right back in the burrow. And I was watching a video years ago with one of the guys in Africa that goes out and they go out and they get eggs out of the burrow.
Wow.
And they bring them back to the farms and they just put them in these big, large bins and just wait for them to hatch. And then they take all the hatchlings and they ship them to the U.S., they ship them to Canada, they ship them to Asia. So this guy was saying that he'll come to the same burrow every year and pull eggs from the same female every year.
Way.
So that means, like I was saying in previous videos, I don't know if you guys watched my first video or not. There was a video out there. You gotta go watch my first video. And what OZZY is saying, that's what my thoughts were. From the little books I read, the little information I gathered about ball python housenry and what they like, how much room they need. You know, they don't move around that much. They like to stay in the barrel, small barrel, termite hill, things of that nature. Either they wait for food to come to them or they go out and get food. They like to stay put. They're not an apex predator. They will get picked off. And yeah, let's get back to it.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, because they stay, if they have food and water and a burrow to hide, they like tight spaces, they're going to stay there.
Right.
They're not roaming around, wandering around. They don't need to. They stay put.
And it's dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous too because there's a lot of predators that feed on those animals in the wild. So yeah, so that too I think contributes because you have the same animals in the same area that keep inbreeding, and then you get a higher occurrence of genetic mutations. Here's a cool snake.
Oh, okay.
This is a really underrated.
The quality of his snakes are crazy, man. Like, I don't know what you're doing over there. Is everything OD? Is the OD doing it like that? But I don't see too many ODs like this, like what you got going on. Like what's up, OZZY? What's up, man? You still underneath investigation. If you haven't watched my last video of me doing an FBI foul on OZZY, federal ball python investigation, go watch that out. This dude has some insane stuff. Man, I'm about to OD over here.
Mutation.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, champagne is in there, right?
Nope, no champagne.
Well, you see?
Yeah.
Shows how much I know. Oh my gosh, that thing's beautiful. So what do you have in that?
So this is Orange Dream, Yellow Belly, Lesser. Enchi,
yeah.
Bongo.
Bongo. I need this. I need that. That is crazy.
It's the bongo that's
so it's the
making this
bongo.
thing pop.
Okay, so it's the bongo. The bongo gives it that kind of almost, it makes it look like a
stripes it out. It really pops with the Orange Dream. The bongo Orange Dreams are pretty insane. So that's a cool
really
snake.
so.
That is insane. Bongo. I love bongo. Like I said, my specialty snake I'm trying to cook up is going to take a while to do. But it involves bongo, okay? I don't want to tell you the second one just yet. Y'all got to keep watching and watching. I'll keep spilling and spilling through each episode we do. But I can't believe he got a bongo OD, yellow belly madness over here. This is wild. This is wild. OZZY. OZZY. Alright. I see you, OZZY.
Oh, this is like a badass snake from this year. This is a triple recessive. This is a hypo.
Yeah.
This is a hypo clown pied.
Yeah.
It's also
Hypo clown pie. That's my triple recessive. That's what I'm trying to hit. I got a triple head boy. He's head for hypo, pied, and clown. Okay? I got him a good lineup. We'll go over his lineup in one of these videos when we're not doing a reaction video. But I can't believe he is showing me a triple recessive. Triple recessive, that's going to be the new thing. If you're a breeder, I don't want to say the new thing. That's a powerhouse. If you have a triple recessive visual, you have two of those, that's a powerhouse. That's something you will want as a breeder. Straight powerhouse. Man, OZZY, come on now, man. OZZY.
a leopard. And look at the gray outlines on this thing.
Yes, I do see that.
I mean, it's pretty insane. So I believe that's the leopard contributing to that. But
Okay.
but you know, this is a triple recessive combo. I mean, it's so hard to hit this, and this is where the future big bucks. If you want to make big bucks in this industry, these are really, really, really hard to make. I did a blog post the other day, and the analogy I used was like, it's like mining for Bitcoin.
Yeah.
It's very difficult. Another amazing
Oh
animal.
gosh.
This is a double dose from my high intensity orange dream line.
High intensity orange dream line. So that's why everything is so high intensity. He has a high intensity OD. Is that different from super OD? Like what's up?
Okay, so you have already, you're already well into developing the high intensity, right?
Yeah, I think I first produced the first high intensity animal. I think it hatched out maybe in 2008 or 2009. I had no clue what it was. It looked amazing. And if it was from an orange dream to orange dream breeding, I probably would have labeled it as a super.
Right.
But it wasn't. It was from an orange dream to a non-orange dream, and it was just amazing. And it was a yellow belly orange dream spider, so a yellow belly dream bee.
Okay.
And I used to take it to the shows, and everybody used to try and buy
A dream bee. This is crazy. So there's OD, super OD, and high intensity OD. High intensity OD is different from super OD. And super OD is, OD is a codon. So super OD is 2 copies of that one gene that makes it the super. But the high intensity, it's its own gene from the super. So it's not even a super. I don't get it. I do, but this is crazy. I didn't think, wow, genetics, huh? Genetics.
and I kept it.
Uh-huh.
And I was producing them for years. I mean, it's hard for me to take pictures of this. You're seeing it in person.
Yeah, it's actually looking really good right now on the camera.
That's a super orange dream fire yellow belly clown.
Oh my gosh. What do you think is giving it that orange right there? Is that the orange dream?
It's the orange dream, that's the yellow belly.
And the yellow belly, right?
Yeah,
Together.
Yep.
Gosh, that thing's insane, dude.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a crazy, crazy snake. So
Alright, man. We're not gonna watch the whole thing. I did cut up some more. There's more cut up. But we're not gonna do that. Go watch this video in its entirety. This is wild. I'm gonna have to stop right there because I'm gonna have to go do some research on this high intensity. Whatever I find out, I'll find some pretty good videos explaining or showing that high intensity. I might make another video on OZZY. I'm not trying to do too many videos on OZZY. But like I said, we're going down the rabbit hole. This is how I learned. This is how you learn. So we might see OZZY again on here once I give me a slice of that deep dish into this OD, because high intensity OD, man, that sounds wild. But thanks for watching with me, family. Stay tuned. Peace out.